Here you can see my iOS phone and I can use Shadowrocket. But here on Android phone, you don't see Shadowrocket app because Shadowrocket is not available for iPhone. But in this video, I'll guide you a method that you can use another app on Android, but the same subscription will stay intact on your iOS, Shadowrocket and ClashX, and on your macOS you can use the same subscription in ClashX or in Shadowrocket app. I'll also give you a massive discount coupon code so that you can enjoy the coupon code and discount on your Android phone. And remember, the VPN works in China and globally anywhere in the world. So let's get started. On your Android phone, first of all, go to any of your browser and in the search bar type here vpn07.com. If this website doesn't open, then use a free VPN. Scroll down and you will see these 4 different apps. It means you can use these apps on different devices. Go for the Android and download. Allow download anyway. We are downloading the file. Once downloaded, double click and open. Now install, give your passcode, and if it asks you for some permissions, then allow the permissions in the setting. Open the app. Here you got your new VPN, but you need to get a subscription because it allows maybe a limited traffic for some time, but for the lifetime use you need to get a subscription. Go to user and here you can register. Register with any email account. You can register as an anonymous user as well. Then give your passcode. Here, use my coupon code for discount. So this coupon code will give you initial discount. Rest of the discount gonna be further. At the time, I'll guide you about getting the subscription. Register. Once you're registered, go to plans. And here you got different plans. Now you don't need to go to different websites to get a plan. Every time you're done with one plan, just get another one within the app. Choose any plan you like. I recommend you choosing a bigger volume, for example 658. Go to subscribe now. Here you can use another coupon code, a acoustic and number 8. Verify this coupon code. Look, 131 RMB gone. Woo! Now you can place your order. Go to pay now and you will see all these options. Here you can choose USDT, TRC20 if you are outside of China, but if you are inside China, you can use Alipay and WeChat to pay. Once the order is confirmed, go back and click on home button. Here you can see all the proxies. Choose any of the proxy you want to connect. For example, you want to connect United States, Vietnam, Argentina, or many other countries listed as proxies. Here are 2 different modes. This is also important. You can choose smart and global. Smart mean if you are in China, then this VPN will bypass Chinese websites and it will not use VPN for the Chinese websites. But global means you require VPN for every app and website you open on your phone. So after that, simply connect. And I'm not subscribed using this email account. That's why it's asking me to subscribe first. Let me open the email ID that I'm subscribed to this VPN and then we're gonna connect. Now, I logged in with my subscription. Go to home and here I can connect. Allow the permissions here. All right, and click on connect. Wow, we are connected. Go to any browser and open your favorite website and go to any server, change the server anytime you want, then click on connect. You search here Bollywood songs and everything is working perfectly fine. I give you an example of YouTube because YouTube is banned in China. Let's say Facebook. And here we go. Now let me teach you how you can use these proxies on Shadowrocket. Open VPN07 website on your phone or any browser. Log in with the same email account you just subscribed. The iOS app is not yet out, but you can still use this VPN on iOS, and macOS app is already there, and the app for Windows is also there. This is the same app. After getting subscription, log in with this email and go to iOS, go to use third-party app. You will see this link, copy this link. Now, open Shadowrocket on your iOS or macOS app, go to plus icon, go to this type, select subscribe, and paste this URL here, and then hit on save button. After that, you will get all these proxies on your macOS or iPhone Shadowrocket app. So you can use Shadowrocket on iOS and macOS and VPN07 app on your Android phone. That's it. Go get the discount and come back, and then you may subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.